BigCommerce overview. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, we're going to talk about BigCommerce, which is an e-commerce platform that enables businesses to create and manage their online stores efficiently. It offers a user-friendly interface, customizable templates, and robust features to help merchants sell products online. The platform supports various payment gateways, integrates with popular apps, and provides marketing tools to enhance online visibility. With reliable hosting and security, BigCommerce.com caters to businesses of all sizes, facilitating their growth and success in the digital marketplace. So let's dive into it, guys, and let's see how this platform works. So this is the main page of our platform. So as you can see here, we have the solutions section where you can find the solutions that this platform offers. As you can see, you have two options, by use case or by industry. So by the use case, you have the multi-storefront, headless commerce, B2B, which means business to business, the wholesale, omni-channel, offline to online, international, and so on. And here we have by industry, fashion and apparel, health and beauty, food and beverage, manufacturing, and so on. And here we have the platform section where we have why we want to use BigCommerce. So you have here a variety of answers like engage, attract, convert, expand, and so on. And here we have the product, like features and services that this platform offers. And here we have the customers, where you can find the case studies if you want to be sure that this is the platform that fits you. And here we have the customer examples. Here in this partners section, you have an overview and a become a partner section if you want to become a partner in the platform. And you can find an agency partner, find a technology partner, and you can see powered by. And here we have the resources that this platform offers, like the articles, guides, webinars, podcasts, and all of those will help you understand more the BigCommerce platform and also the dropshipping business. And here we have the pricing. So let's see the pricing that this platform gives to its clients. So let's check all the plans that this platform offers. And if you want to request something that doesn't exist in the plans, you can just hit request pricing, and you can give them the things that you want and the things that you don't want, and they will give you your own customized pricing. So let's see all the plans that are available in the platform. So as you can see here, they have a free 15 days plan if you want to start your free trial. And by scrolling down, you can see the available plans. So we have here 4 plans. We have the standard for $30 a month, as you can see. And here you can see what's included in the plans. So as we all know, the $30 a month, it cannot be like the $80 a month plan. You will have some things missing and something is not available in this plan. And here we have the most popular one, which is $80 a month. It's the plus plan. So also this one is better than this one, but it's not better than the other one. So more money, more features, and the better it becomes. And here we have the pro plan, which is for $300 a month. As you can see, it has pretty much all the features and services except some of them. And here we have the final one, which is the enterprise plan. And to start with this one, you have to contact them. because it's a custom pricing. They don't have a fixed pricing for this one because it depends on your needs and what you want and what you don't want. So let's go and start our free trial. So here guys, if you want to change the language, you can change it from this one. As you can see, I'm in the United States language, which is English, and you can change it to whatever language you want from here. So let's start our free trial. So here we have to fill this information: our first name, last name, phone number, email address, password, and the store name, and you can change it at any time. And here you have the size of your online business. You give them the size of your online business. If you don't know, you can just make sure to hit this I'm not sure. And here you have the option where you should your store be hosted. So you have three options: North America, Europe, and Asia Pacific. So I'm going to fill this information and get back with you. So after filling the information, you hit create your store and you wait for it to load. As you can see, your store is being created. So you wait for it to be created and then you can see your store. So after our store being created, we have to answer these three questions. As you can see, do you have an existing website? You choose the right one for you. Then what will you be selling? And you choose the category of your store. So I'm just going with food and beverage. Then what best describes how you currently sell your product. You have a lot of options, so you can just select the one that fits you. So I'm building a store for a client and then proceed to store. So as you can see, this is the dashboard of your store. And here it shows how much days left in your trial. So we just started, so we have 15 days to go with. And if you want to upgrade to the paid plans, this is where you can upgrade your trial, or in here. So here you have add products, get set to ship, accept cash on delivery, set up your taxes. So you have all the settings that you want to build a good store for your business. And here we have the view store button if you want to view our store. So let's click it. So here, as you can see, this is our store. So as you can see, this is the demo products. So we can all adjust all these things. We can adjust them in here in this dashboard. We can add products, get it to shape, accept cash on delivery, and create our storefront, take care of our marketing, analytics, channel manager, apps, and here we have the account settings if you want to change your settings and your profile, and if you want to change your store. And if you can't find anything right here, you can just go to the help section and you can find or ask questions and you will get helped in this help section as you see here. So that's it for today's video guys. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like and share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel.